Having the right tools for the job is an important first step and serves to make your life infinitely easier. That said, these 10 amazing tools you will want to buy are definitely worth looking into. They're all designed to help make you more efficient, regardless of the task at hand, and allow you to handle whatever life happens to throw your way with ease. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. We've included all the links to the products in this video in the description below, so head on down there for all the latest information and pricing. Number 10. DOER. DOER is a compact, all-in-one toolkit that includes absolutely everything you need to get the job done. It packs 12 impressive tools into one tiny and easy-to-carry package. It even includes a heavy-duty AC-DC converter to allow you to run your tools directly from your wall socket plug. Each tool also comes equipped with a battery, so you can work on the go without any hassle at all. There are plenty of compartments located on the back of the main toolbox for storage of bits and blades, along with an included protractor for measuring your angles. The toolbox itself even has wheels and a telescopic handle for easy transportation between jobs. Furthermore, the toolbox has a stainless steel tabletop, a table saw shield, a drill press level, and a drill press post. The included batteries have a 1-hour charge time. The rest of the tools include a drill with a drill press, a jigsaw, a scroll saw, a circular and table saw, a hot wire cutter and table hot wire cutter, a sander, a mini lathe, and a work light that also functions as a lantern to help light up your entire work area if needed. The main toolbox measures 53 by 25 by 36 centimeters, and the included carrying bag is 39 by 26 by 19 centimeters in size. Number 9. GERBER TRUSS MULTITOOL. An excellent multi-tool with a lot to offer, the GERBER TRUSS MULTITOOL is pretty much all you'll ever need for most small jobs. The original truss suspension chassis has been upgraded to help you make the most of it, and the multi-tool comes with all truss standard features. These include plenty of outboard and locking tools, along with spring-loaded pliers. A few new additions are the wire stripper, medium flathead screwdriver, awl, file, and ruler. The tool comes with a low-profile sheath that can be easily attached to your belt either vertically or horizontally. It's even mole compatible, allowing it to be mounted on a vest or pack. The tool is only 1.75 by 0.5 by 4.35 inches in size. Designed to be slim and easy to take with you on the go, the multi-tool's handle is also constructed from a single piece of steel, giving it exceptional strength. In addition to the tools we already mentioned, the included tools are a saw, a large flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a lanyard hole, standard pliers, a cross driver, a full serrated blade, a can opener, a ruler, a full fin edge blade, wire cutters, scissors, a bottle opener, and a tool lock. Number 8. EVERRATCHET. When you're looking to chow down in the middle of nowhere, it helps to have the right tools at your disposal. That's where EVERRATCHET comes in. EVERRATCHET is an antibacterial titanium utensil multi-tool. Being made out of titanium, this amazing tool is ridiculously light and is small enough to easily fit into a pack, pocket, or wherever else you have some spare room. It's non-toxic and super easy to clean, along with being fire-resistant and non-corrosive. Its antibacterial properties make EVERRATCHET perfectly safe for eating, even if you don't have any soap handy. On top of acting like a spork, EVERRATCHET lets you do things like open boxes, cut cords, light fires, open up bottles, and slice your food. Great for a day trip with friends or a long-term camping trip in serious backcountry environments. EVERRATCHET is definitely versatile and well worth bringing along with you. There is a smooth blade and serrated blade, so you can pretty much cut anything you come across without issue. And the EVERRATCHET comes with its very own carrying pouch that also doubles as a convenient cutting board, complete with buttons to help you hook it onto a carabiner or your pack. EVERRATCHET weighs only 28 grams and measures 190 millimeters by 35.8 millimeters by 1.5 millimeters in size. Number 7. EVERRATCHET. The EVERRATCHET from Gear Infusion is a ratcheting keychain pocket multi-tool that has a lot of impressive tools and attachments, despite its teeny tiny size. It's been dubbed as the world's first ratchet keychain tool. You can pick one up in either titanium or stainless steel, and they're all 100% TSA friendly. Each tool contains a 1/4-inch two-way ratchet, a bottle opener, 7 different wrenches, a box cutter, a pry tool, and a screwdriver. EVERRATCHET has a special dynamic ratcheting feature, so you won't have to lift the tool and reset it after each and every turn. This makes the EVERRATCHET very practical and easy to use in almost all settings. It's even great for medium to large jobs with limited working space and low visibility. A custom-sized fire flint and a No. 2 Phillips bit are also included to further what the EVERRATCHET is capable of. Most importantly, the EVERRATCHET can easily hook onto a keychain so you can take it with you everywhere and be safe in the knowledge that you're covered no matter what the world throws at you. Made out of a single piece of either stainless steel or titanium, the EVERRATCHET is extremely durable and has a polyglass finish. Number 6. TASHTEGO 2.0. Taking your toiletries with you when you travel can be a real pain, and bringing absolutely everything you need can be tough to say the least. Thankfully, TASHTEGO has us travelers totally covered. TASHTEGO is a fully packed toiletry kit that's about as good as it gets. The TASHTEGO lets you pack your toiletries in its pockets before rolling down the flap and fastening the attached leather belt. This keeps all of your toiletries in one place and offers a handy, convenient way to take them with you. When all wrapped up, the TASHTEGO takes up a minimal amount of space and also ensures that your items don't get lost, keeping them easily accessible at all times. There's even a zipper pocket for little essentials, or to keep anything that might leak separate from the rest of your luggage. TASHTEGO is also built to last and is made of durable materials that will pretty much last a lifetime. The kit also protects your toiletries from germs and bacteria. Additionally, you can hang your TASHTEGO kit with the included corner grommet, keeping it easily accessible while also keeping your sink area clean. You can also tailor your TASHTEGO to your preferences and choose one in charcoal, dark oak, olive, or navy coloring. Last but not least, TASHTEGO is made of No. 10 waxed cotton and coated with a water-repellent wax so you can get it wet without soaking your toiletries, which is really convenient. Number 5. FIDGI Pen 2.0. A stylish update to traditional pen designs, the FIDGI Pen 2.0 is a breath of fresh air for writers all over the world. It's packed with all sorts of features that offer both utility and comfort. Personalization is also a thing, and you can order your FIDGI pen in Gold Fire, Black Knight, Golden Rose, Silver Ice, or Raw Copper. But that's only a small part of what these pens have to offer. They have a clicking switch that lets you press it quick for a fast click or hold it down for a smooth click. Additionally, the magnetic zero-gravity spring pops up easily when pushed, allowing you to happily fidget with your pen during downtime. The electronic stylus is a nice touch and is compatible with all touchscreen smart devices. The smooth electric pen tip allows you to use the pen to tap, swipe, write, or draw electronically. The most fidgety of all the features, however, is the spinning top, which acts just like a fidget spinner. The twisting gear near the tip of the pen makes a satisfying sound when spun, and it also has a textured grip, allowing you extra leverage while writing. Finally, the pen clip lets you keep the pen secure and always within reach. Number 4. MICROBLADE Pill. This interesting pill-sized knife is super small, allowing you to easily carry it with you in a pocket. It can be brought out whenever you need it, saving space in your pockets when it isn't in use. Not just for cutting, this knife is also great at prying, scratching, and peeling, along with a whole host of everyday tasks. The blade maintains a 35-degree bevel angle, making it exceptionally sharp. You can also hook the microblade onto something like a keychain to make it even more convenient to use, thanks to the included 30mm carabiner ring. The microblade pill comes in 3 varieties, with a choice between brass, copper, or stainless steel. Number 3. PRINCUBE. An amazing and convenient portable printer, the PRINCUBE is extremely lightweight and fits easily into the palm of your hand. It prints in color on pretty much any surface with 3 simple steps. It allows for full color printing with the press of a button and has a 6-hour working time, and the battery will keep on ticking for a full year in standby mode. What's most impressive about the PRINCUBE is the massive print volume, which lets you print up to 415 full pages of text or images without missing a beat. You can upload any text, image, or design and instantly print it out on surfaces like paper, glass, wood, metal, ceramic, cloth, or even skin and other textured surfaces. PRINCUBE attaches to your laptop, PC, or mobile device. From there, Scanning a QR code allows access to its dashboard. Once connected, you simply upload a pattern or text before clicking start and getting down to printing. It really is that easy to print in lifelike, vivid color. The multi-line feature lets you print a total of 3 meters of content and can store a ridiculous amount of information that you can save for later. Refilling the ink only requires popping out the cartridge and inserting a new one, which takes only a few seconds. The device uses a USB Type-C port to charge it up, and each order comes complete with a PRINCUBE, a tattoo print holder, a ruler for advanced printing, a charging cable, a clean brush, 1 standard color ink cartridge, a PRINCUBE lid, and of course, a PRINCUBE manual. Number 2, WOOJER Edge. We're all used to hearing sound, but the WOOJER Edge allows us to actually feel sound, which makes for a much more immersive experience. Whether you're gaming, watching a movie, or just listening to your favorite tunes, WOOJER will make your day a whole lot more enjoyable. The WOOJER is a product that provides powerful and accurate haptic feedback, and you can choose between the strap edge or the vest edge, each of which has its own advantages. They both are 100% silent and provide 8 hours of playtime in a one-size-fits-all package. With 360 degrees of immersion, WOOJER lets you feel like you're a part of the action when you're gaming. It also can make you feel like you're in the front row of a concert. WOOJER uses patented polyphonic Aussie TRX52 haptic transducers, along with a stereo haptic transducer array, with 2 on the sides, 2 on your back, and 2 located on your chest. The lithium-ion battery is also fully rechargeable. Number 1, a 7-in-1 USB-C hub. An amazing productivity boosting device. The UTech charging hub has everything you need to keep all your devices charged without any fuss at all. It basically lets you drop all your cables and offers a way to send data and charge multiple devices seamlessly, and at the same time without any need for unnecessary cable management. It has ports for USB-C, 4K HDMI, microSD, SD, and USB 3.0 cables, with 2 USB-C and USB 3.0 ports for added convenience. This hub also has a wireless phone charging port, which is pretty key. The coolest aspect of this charge hub is that it even lets you plug in a second screen and allows you to extend your screen when using it with devices like an iPad or even a Nintendo Switch. A longtime heavyweight in the world of USB hubs and wireless chargers, UTech has thought of everything. And their hubs are absolutely able to help you improve your efficiency in all aspects of your life by keeping everything USB and charging related in one powerful package. And that's 10 amazing tools you will want to buy. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.